Hi guys, this is Rafthelsa Vlogs. This is my DIY flowers, artificial flowers made from the recycled plastic bottles. This is artificial daisy. We call it daisy, and it is made from the recycled plastic bottles, and this one is made from the bottle caps. And the stem is made of empty tubes of the kitchen roll and covered with satin ribbon, and the leaves also is made from the empty bottles, and the base is made from the empty bottles of the fabric conditioner covered with wrapping paper. So if you want to learn how to create like this, just replay my video tutorials how to create artificial flowers. You can check my playlist on my channel, so you can follow the tutorial step by step on how I created this one. This one is a double type petals, 2 layers of petals. That means 2 pieces of plastic bottles cut into pointed shape, and this is the transformation of the plastic bottles now. And now it is already transformed into a home decoration or a table centerpiece. This is painted with acrylic paint, different colors of acrylic paint. This is white, this is peach, this is dark pink, yellow, and I have here orange and purple. And this one is made from the bottle caps of the mineral water. So just try to check out my playlist, how to create artificial flowers made from recycled plastic bottles. And the stem is made from the empty tubes of kitchen roll, or you can use the magazine. Just roll it and cover it with a ribbon. So guys, I hope you get an idea how to create artificial flowers made from recycled plastic bottles and magazine. Look at this. So this is how I created this one. Very simple, and you can follow the steps through my tutorial. So if you like this tutorial, just give a thumbs up, leave a comment, share this video, and if you're new to my channel Rafthelsa Vlogs, please do subscribe and click the notification bell so that you'll be updated with all my new videos. If you want to support my channel, guys, just click the super thanks down below, and your support is highly appreciated in order to improve my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you get an idea on how to create artificial home decoration by recycling your waste plastic bottles at home. So in this way, we can minimize our garbage and we can help maintain our Mother Earth without pollution by recycling the plastic bottles. So if you want to learn many things about recycling, so you can find out everything from my playlist, guys, from my channel, about home decoration, fashion accessories, interior decoration, and many things. Okay, so I have also here, oh, this is my bamboo tree. So you can check all the playlists from my channel. So you see I have here a bamboo tree, uh, interior decoration made from the plastic bottles of green tea and any plastic bottles which is green colors, and the tube is made from kitchen rolls and magazine, and also made from the tube of from the from the tin cans of the beer Carl's Rohi. Look at this, made from the tins of beer Carl's Crony. So this is my simple home decoration made from plastic bottles of green tea and 7 Up, anything that is green. And this one is a table centerpiece, plastic flowers, artificial flowers. It's like African daisy, painted with different colors of acrylic paint. If you have also nail polish, you can use nail polish instead of using acrylic paint. So look at, guys, this is my simple home decoration made from plastic bottles. Very simple home decoration. Just collect your plastic bottles and recycle that. Okay guys, thank you for watching and see you in my next vlog. Bye bye.